This must be love. Boom, clap, sound in my heart. The beat goes on and on and on and on. Boom, clap, you make me feel good. Come on to me now. Boom, clap, sound in my heart. The beat goes on and on and on and on. Boom, clap, you make me feel good. Come on to me now.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Chandni. So in today's video, as you've already read the title, I am filming my Victoria's Secret collection video. And Victoria's Secret is one of my favorite brands. And to be honest guys, more than the fragrance, I really love their packaging. Like, just look at it, it's so pretty. So if you have a Victoria's Secret fever like me, then let's get into the video. So guys, in today's video, I'm just going to show you my mist collection, my perfume collection and my lotion collection, or else the video will become too boring and I don't want that. So yeah, let's get started. So the first lotion that I'm going to show you is Crush. And I actually have a full set of the Crush collection. So let me just show you what it comes with. So it comes with a body wash, a body lotion again, a perfume, and this is one of my favorite perfumes. It's so pretty, it looks so fancy. And it also comes with a travel size small perfume. So yeah. And the box itself is so pretty. I even use it as a decor piece in my room and it looks so pretty. So yeah. So this was the Crush collection. So the next lotion that I'm going to show you is the Victoria's Secret Forever Sexy Lotion. And I think the name justifies it. The fragrance is so sexy and this is one of my favorite lotions. The next lotion is Victoria's Secret Electric Beach Lotion, and the packaging is so attractive and appealing, and it says pink pick me, sugar fruits, drink it in. And this lotion really reminds me of beaches, summers and holidays. So yeah. And now I'm going to show you the mist that I apply on a daily basis every day after shower. So it's the Victoria's Secret Romantic. And I think this is perfect for daily use. This is my go-to mist. So yeah. And now I'm going to show you my current favorite lotion, which is Victoria's Secret Tease Rebelle. And it's a very floral fragrance. Even the packaging is so pretty. So if you're somebody like me who's really very into floral fragrances, then I really recommend this one. It's a very beautiful fragrance and even the packaging is so gorgeous. And I'm really very into floral fragrances, so I really love this one. So now I'm going to show you my Victoria's Secret Bombshell Paradise, which is very easy and convenient to carry. It's Bombshell. I love Bombshell and it's really very handy and convenient. And I think it's perfect for traveling because I can just keep it in my purse or in my travel bag, my travel purse, whatever, and it's really very convenient. So now I'm going to show you my pink collection, and honestly I'm not really that fond of the pink collection, but I still own some products of the pink collection. So the first one is Warm & Cozy, and I have their mist as well as their lotion, and it says cozy up in toasted vanilla. I think this fragrance is perfect for winters, so yeah. So the next mist that I'm going to show you is Pink Beach Flower, and it says Beach Life, Tiara Flower and Palm Leaves. It's again a very floral fragrance, so if you're somebody who's looking for a good floral mist, then I recommend this one, Pink Beach Flower. And this actually reminds me of summers and good vibes, positive vibes, so yeah. And now I'm going to show you my last product from the Pink collection, which is Pink Fresh and Clean Body Lotion. And this says feel so clean and fresh apple and lily. So it has aloe, oat and grapeseed extracts and a healthy combo vitamin E and C. So yeah, and for some reason this fragrance actually reminds me of a 10 both. I don't know why, but keeping that aside, it's a very nice fragrance. It's a very fruity fragrance, so yeah. So now I'm going to show you my mini mist collection from Victoria's Secret. The first mist that I'm going to show you from my mini mist collection is the Victoria's Secret Scandalous, and it's a very sweet fragrance. So sometimes I'm in a mood for a very sweet fragrance, so I go with this one. The next one is You So Sexy, and the polka dots look so cute over here, and it's again a very sweet fragrance, so yeah. The next one is Bombshell, and Bombshell is my favorite. And I also have the Bombshell in Bloom, which is again my favorite. And the last one is Noir Tease, and Noir Tease is a very strong fragrance. So if you're somebody who's fond of strong fragrances, then I recommend this one. And I also have a larger mist of the Tease fragrance. So this is a small one and it's a bit larger one. And I think this is great for daily use. And I also have a perfume of this fragrance. And the packaging looks absolutely wonderful. And this is such a stunning packaging. Oh my god, just look at it. So as it's a very strong fragrance, I think it's perfect for clubbing. So I really like this one. So now I'm going to show you my Victoria's Secret Tea Streamer perfume, and I really love the packaging. It has palm trees, beaches and a little bit of pink, and perfume itself is so gorgeous. Oh my god. So the perfume has palm trees, and the packaging actually says it's made up of coconut, ocean salt and California sun. So I really love everything coconut in fragrance. So if you're somebody who's fond of coconut too, then I really recommend this perfume to you. It's the Victoria's Secret Tea Steamer perfume, and it actually smells like fresh coconuts, and I really love the fragrance. So I'm going to show you my last collection from Victoria's Secret. So I'm not really very into fruity fragrances, that is why I'm not really that fond of this collection. But if you're somebody who's fond of fruity fragrances, then I really recommend this one to you. So the first one is Love Spell, and it comes with a lotion and a mist, and it says fragrance lotion cherry blossom and peach. So the next one is Pure Seduction, which comes with a lotion and a mist, and it's made up of red plum. Last but not the least, which is my favorite out of this collection because I love coconut, it's Coconut Passion. Comes with a lotion and a mist, and it says vanilla and coconut, and I think I really love the combination of vanilla and coconut together, and this is my favorite fragrance out of them all. So yeah. So thank you so much guys for watching my video. If you liked my Victoria's Secret collection, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Bye.